You don't need Photoshop to remove an image background. You can do it instantly right inside PowerPoint. Let's say I want to make a title slide with a few tiki drinks on them. I'll first insert an image. I have a couple saved to my computer, so I'll go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and choose the photo I'd like to work with. In the past, having backgrounds that had too much going on made it difficult to remove it cleanly, but PowerPoint has really improved its capabilities. All I have to do is select the image by clicking on it, and then going to the top and choosing Picture Format. On the left side of the ribbon, you can find Remove Background. It thinks a while, and then it'll show you a preview of what will be removed. If necessary, you can select portions to keep or remove if it didn't choose properly, but in this case, it looks pretty good. So I'll click Save to use this version. Now the background's removed. Let's say I now want to split this so one drink is on each side of the text. I can easily do this by duplicating the image, by making sure it's selected, and pressing Ctrl D to duplicate. And then for each image, I can go up to Picture Format and choose Crop, and then crop out the unwanted drink for each image. Just by dragging that over and hitting Enter. So now I can position the drinks wherever I want without a background. I'm going to add one more drink in the middle, and that needs a background removed too. So I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to Insert, Pictures, this device. I'm going to choose my other drink. And once again, I can go to Picture Format, Remove Background. And that also looks pretty good. So I'm going to hit Save. And I can maneuver it however I want. And that's it. Drop a comment if this was useful and subscribe for more digestible PowerPoint tips.